Hey everyone, so you've just installed Windows 10 and are ready to dive into all the cool features it offers, right? But hold on a second, to unlock its full potential, you need to activate it. Let's walk through how you can do this quickly and easily. First off, why activate? Well, while you can use Windows 10 without activation, some features remain locked, and you'll frequently get reminders to activate your copy. Plus, let's be honest, it helps to ensure you're running a genuine product. Now, onto the activation process. You have a couple of options here. The first and simplest is to enter a valid product key. This key is usually 25 characters long, and it's what you receive when you purchase a copy of Windows 10. You can enter your product key by going to the Start menu, then Settings, Update and Security, and finally, Activation. Click on Change Product Key, enter your 25-character product key, and hit Next. Windows will verify your key, and voila, you should be activated. But what if you don't have a product key? No worries, you still have options. If you previously upgraded to Windows 10 from Windows 7 or 8.1, your device should automatically activate. Just make sure you're connected to the internet. If you're experiencing issues, troubleshooting can help. Go back to Activation Settings and click on Troubleshoot. This tool will check your hardware and validate your previous version of Windows. If everything is in order, it should activate your Windows 10. Lastly, if you're setting up a new device and don't have any previous Windows key, you might consider purchasing a digital license. You can buy this directly from the Microsoft Store within your Windows settings. Navigate to the activation page and click Go to Store, where you can purchase a Windows 10 license. Remember, using an unactivated version of Windows 10 is not illegal, but activating it offers a smoother, feature-complete experience. Plus, you get support and updates straight from Microsoft, which can keep your system secure. That's pretty much it. Simple, right? Now go enjoy all the great features of your fully activated Windows 10. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Catch you in the next video.